Today I'm making hot dog stew, which is a variation of the Hoover Stew. The original Hoover Stew was a Depression-era recipe that used elbow macaroni, stewed tomatoes, hot dogs, and a can of corn. Our recipe uses beans instead of the tomatoes and corn, and we added a few fresh ingredients from the garden. 1 chopped green pepper, 1 small chopped onion, 2 sliced hot dogs, minced garlic, 1 can of baked beans. To prepare the hot dog stew, I have to put my temperature on medium, and I'm going to melt the butter. The butter is almost melted, so now I'm going to add my onion. I'm going to add the onion. And then my peppers. And the garlic. I'll just stir it around. And this is going to have to cook for a few minutes. This is a very simple and easy recipe. I'm cooking the peppers and the onions 2 minutes. I'm waiting till the onions gets a little done more. It smells good. You can smell the peppers and the onions. It's been 3 minutes now, and I'm going to add the hot dogs. I'm going to add my sliced hot dogs. And see, this is a nice meal to make if you have even 2 leftover hot dogs or any kind of leftover meat. You can make this meal. I'm going to cook the hot dogs for about 3 minutes now. I added garlic to this recipe, but if you want to put salt and pepper, you could add salt and pepper or whatever seasoning you want, but Grandpa and I like garlic. I'm adding my baked beans now. And now I'm stirring in the beans good. And these will have to cook just a few minutes. I cooked the beans for about 3 minutes because they don't have to cook long. They really just have to be warmed up. And now I'm going to add my cooked elbows in. Slowly add them in. You can really make delicious meals with just a little bit ingredients. And this is great for, like Grandpa and I, we like to save money. So this is easy. We save money when we eat like this. Now our meal is all done. It's all been cooked and it's ready for Grandpa and I to enjoy. How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Very good, Ma. Tastes delicious. Everything is nice, soft. Peppers are soft. The onion flavor. Just with these few ingredients, Ma, it turned out great.
I'm glad you like it, Pa.